Welcome to the Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Property Visual Tour. This is part of our complete listing marketing package for every listing. The Oregon floor plan built by Classic American Homes is a 2-story 3 bedrooms 2.5 baths with a loft. Open floor plan living room to kitchen with breakfast nook and bar. Formal living and dining areas with high ceilings. Special features offer stainless steel appliances, granite countertops in kitchen and baths, rich hardwood cabinetry with crown molding, refrigerated air, 8-foot entry door with keyless entry lock and a full tile roof. Pictures are for demonstration purposes only. Visit our model home at 840 Lemington, open daily 11 a.m. to 7 p.m.